So hello guys, today I'm going to show how you can run an ONNX deep learning model with C++, and you can use the GPU to like maximize its performance. So most of the people are getting issues with using a GPU. So like I am going to tell how you can fix that issue also. Yeah, so first of all, you need to go to project and click on the manage nugget package and then download that ML OnnxRuntime GPU. So from my side, it's install version 1.1613, and after installing from here, what you need is using like if you want to use the GPU, you definitely need a CUDA for that. So you can go in this page and you can saw like the compatibility. I'll provide all the links in the description. So from here, let's see, my ONX runtime is 1.16, and for that what I need is CUDA 11.8, and then CUDA like it's tested up to 8.2.9, so I can use any one of them. So for installing this, you can go through any blog post, so I will provide this post also in the description. You can read it and like do the steps what he said and install the CUDA version, whatever your according to your requirements. So one more thing you need to do is to like some of you getting could not load library, couldn't some errors. So for that, you need one more thing is zlib, like is yeah, to install the zlib. So like I will provide the download link in the description. You can just simply go to the link and download the zlib, and after that, when you install, you get a DLL static, so use the DLL one and copy this DLL and that .lib into the CUDA directory. See here, program files, NVIDIA GPU, and in the bin folder, what you need to put is the DLL, and in the lib, you just need to put the .lib. So after this, everything is done, and you can directly, yeah, you can directly come here. So from here, as you see, I've made in environment and then session option and CUDA option. So in the CUDA option, you need to provide a zero. Zero will tell our like the first GPU, and in the session option, you need to append. You need to use this function to append the CUDA options. So after this, like if you're not getting any kind of error, that means your GPU is going to run perfectly. So you can also just search which providers are available, and yeah, and you need not need to do anything. You can simply put the tensors and use the session.run as usual, however how we can using, and your GPU is going to use. So in my side, I made a face changing not I made like I just using uh, uh, face swapping model to test. So now I will show like the GPU is running or not. So as you can see, it's currently my GPU is using nearly 620 MB, and now let's run this. Okay, and make sure to, yeah, right side, yeah, cross this and just using see, it's basically, yeah, as you can see, when the, okay, I don't know where it goes, but yeah, when the model uh, is running, it's jump from 690 to 1200, like, yeah, that means GPU is working. Yes. Okay, yeah, so thank you guys, that's for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye, thank you.